Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm making this video real quick for those of you who have access to a SanDisk drive, or you're looking to get one, or you already got one and you don't know how to set it up. If it's an original SanDisk drive, this one is built for mobile. This is a 16 gig dual drive, 3.0 USB. This is it. This is how small it is. If you get something like this for the first time and you plug it into your device, could be a Windows computer or a mobile phone, you're going to find a folder in it that contains instructions on how to set it up. Pretty much, it's kind of like a PDF. And one of the things that you'll be required to actually get is a SanDisk Memory Zone app. This SanDisk Memory Zone app is SanDisk mobile app. You can find it on Google Play Store. I'll leave the link under this video. The app lets you basically access this drive, especially if you're getting it for the first time and you're trying to set it up. You open the Memory Zone app. Of course, make sure that this is already plugged to your phone while you're running the app. And once you open it, the Memory Zone app is going to pretty much show your drive, and then from there you can decide if you want to format it or not. Another thing you can also do is just plug it to a Windows device and scan it. But again, sometimes it might not come up on a Windows device, especially if it's a SanDisk drive that was built for mobile. So that's where the whole Memory Zone app thing comes in, because I noticed that a lot of people do not really install the Memory Zone app to manage this, but you should actually install the app on your phone, plug this in, and manage the drive. From there you can decide to format it, see what's inside and all of that. And of course, if it's showing on one device, maybe it's showing on your phone but it's not showing on your computer, then I think you should format it again, especially if you just got it for the first time. If it's showing on your phone through the Memory Zone app, format it and try plugging it again to your computer. This is a 16 gig drive. I got this because I wanted to just add a bunch of not so heavy files in it, and so far it's been working fine. As long as it's an original SanDisk drive, should be fine. You should be fine, right? That's what this video is about, and I'll see you around. Take care.